How to fix access permission denied, contact your network provider. What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if you are having trouble to access a certain network. So if you have been shared any kind of drive or files on your PC from your network administrator and you're not able to access it, then I'm going to show you guys how you can fix it. So usually what you want to do is click on this drop down here on network and you will find all of the files that have been shared with you. So if you can't access it, then what you want to do is go to the sharer's computer and click on the drive that they have shared to you. Right click on it, and from here you just want to open up its properties. Once you do that, you will be by default on the general tab. Now all you have to do here is click on security, and from here click on edit. And once you do that, you just have to add groups or usernames. So click on add and click on everyone here. So just type on everyone and check names. So it will correct you by default. Click on OK. So as you can see, everyone has been added. Click on apply and then OK. So once you do that, you should be good to go. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.